You all know, for the first time in the history, any Brazilian foreign minister is coming to Bangladesh. It's a historical visit for us. It is not only diplomatic success, but also it will open up a new door for economic development between Bangladesh and Brazil. As you all know, Bangladesh exports to Brazil mainly ready-made garment and few pharmaceuticals products. But today, I have analyzed the market and saw there are many opportunities between Bangladesh and Brazil to export to Brazil, to import from Brazil, and hopefully in near future, through our Honorable Prime Minister visit in July to the BRICS conference, Bangladesh will be one of the members of BRICS countries, and this BRICS platform will contribute to increase Bangladesh export to not only in Brazil but also to the Latin American countries. As a premium platform of trade and investment between Bangladesh and Brazil, Brazil-Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry will play a pivotal role in marketing of Bangladeshi products in Brazil, not only in Brazil but also in Latin America. We are cordially welcoming Brazilian business delegation to Dhaka, and Brazil-Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry, BBCCI, will be one of the very helping hand for Brazilian business to Dhaka. So hopefully in near future, we will see a positive impact in the trade and investment between Bangladesh and Brazil. So with these few words, I would like to invite you all to be member of Bangladesh-Brazil Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and it will be contributing in economic success in near future.